Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a safe workspace and protecting your data. That prevents costly mistakes. Power off the device and remove SIM and memory cards, then back up important files so nothing is lost. Once done, put on an anti-static strap and lay out tools, precision drivers, plastic picks, and a spudger. Make sure to organize screws by type and location as you go. That keeps reassembly straightforward. Now proceed to the first internal access step. Carefully prying the case open along the designated seems to expose the battery compartment. You now focus on safely removing the old battery. Precision matters to avoid damage. After opening the chassis, locate and disconnect the battery connector first. Doing so prevents short circuits. Once disconnected, label nearby cables and screws so you can reattach them correctly later. If adhesive holds the battery, apply gentle heat to soften it and use plastic picks to lift evenly. Never pry with metal tools near the cells. Make sure to lift gradually and stop if resistance or swelling appears, and then remove the battery completely. You finish by installing the replacement battery and confirming proper operation. Place the new battery in the compartment, align adhesive tabs, then reconnect the battery connector securely. Once connected, power the device on to confirm basic function before sealing the case. After testing, reassemble the chassis, returning screws to their original locations. Make sure to perform a full charge cycle and calibration by charging to 100% and letting it discharge to around 20%. If it fails to boot, check connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.